JEE 2024 MCQ. A parallel plate capacitor with plate separation 5 mm is charged up by a battery. It is found that on introducing a dielectric slab of thickness 2 mm, while keeping the battery connection intact, the capacitor draws 25% more charge from the battery than before. The dielectric constant of the sheet is, in first diagram, here D is 5 mm, battery voltage is V, charge on plates are plus Q and minus Q. And in first diagram, equation of capacitance is epsilon naught A by D. In second case, battery voltage is V, separation between plate D is 5 mm, thickness of the dielectric medium small t is given 2 mm, charge on the plate is now plus Q dash and minus Q dash, and we want to find K here. Here it is given that Q dash is equal to 5 by 4Q. When value of any quantity is 100 and it is increased by 25%, then new value of the quantity is 125, and value of any quantity is 1, then new value of the quantity is 125 into 1 upon 100, that is 5 by 4. So new charge is equal to 5 by 4 original charge. Q dash is equal to C dash V and Q is equal to CV, because in both cases voltage are same. Capacitance in first case is C, second case is C dash. So C dash is equal to 5 by 4C, because VV are cancelled. C dash is equal to epsilon naught A D minus T 1 minus 1 by K is equal to 5 by 4. C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Epsilon naught A cancel. So 1 upon 5 minus 2, 1 minus 1 by K. Right side, 5 upon 4, D is equal to 5. 5 is cancelled. So 5 minus 2 plus 2 by K, 3 plus 2 by K. And here it is 1 upon 4. By simplification, K is equal to 2. Thank you.